As it's looking nice and healthy, and it's got a lot of flowers on it. Now obviously the tree is struggling to grow the olives unless it gets some sort of energy from somewhere, and it doesn't only get the energy from the sun, photosynthesizing, but it needs some sort of energy in the roots as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a manure in there, water it tonight, let it soak. Now these olive trees in summer you need to water them once a week. Right, here is the manure which I'm giving to the olive trees. Give it about this flower pot full to each olive plant. Right, that's it. Get them a bit of feed. Now I won't water them for another week.